Dodge Durango SRT. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Again. Is sound decibels on it? Again. 101. Let you guys hear it after we strike pipe. All right, guys. So we'll let you guys hear what it sounds like before. 2020 Dodge Durango 392 Beast. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Got factory converters. It's there and there. Then we took the suitcase muffler, run straight pipes. He didn't want X pipe or nothing. Then 2.5 all the way back. Did a rear delete, 2.5 also. There and there. Into some 4.5-inch black tips. There and there to complete the look. Came out beautiful. Look at that. There's the two mufflers we cut off, little resonators. There's a suitcase muffler we cut off right there. That's the remnants of the surgery we just did. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Much better. Again. Again. Bro, 123. That's insane. Go ahead and back it up. Got a really nice idle to it, too. SRT, baby. Let you guys hear on the inside. Durango SRT 392. And the wind has picked up again. And then he's gonna smoke that one. We'll see. Have him smoke the tires on the RL. Yeah. Burn the tires! He's gonna get on it for us, guys. We just delivered this pipe. Yeah! We even work on tractor trailers.